Happy Friday, everyone. You made it to the weekend. Stellar's releasing Protocol 20. Will there be any price action, or will Stellar be taking over the world? We're also going to talk about a jobs report that came in a little hot, which means what, everyone? Oh, man, maybe the Fed isn't going to drop rates as much as we thought. And yes, we're going to talk price action along with some adoption stats. And you can't fix stupid. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't force him to drink, and you can't fix stupid, and Darwin is a liar. We're not getting smarter. EWEC says, oh my God, quantum financial system, Klaus, you're stupid. Oh my God, Nassar Gassara. And then user Cam says, so much lies. It was an article I pointed out yesterday saying that they're lying to you. Here's the best part. This article was written a couple weeks ago, and you know what they put down? Nassara, Gassara, XRP, XLM taking over the world. Here's the problem with this scam, lazy, shitty scammers. A little chunk in here. They never change the dates on these scam articles. All currencies, and they're talking about cryptocurrencies, will be asset-backed in each country. This could be gold, silver, platinum, oil, precious metals, or any other major asset. Only 2 cryptocurrencies will be backed by gold, XP, and XLM. All others not backed assets will disappear by the end of 2022. Hold on, let me check Garmin. Garmin says it's December 8th, 2023. Oh my God, did all the assets just go away? Seriously, people? Don't stick your fucking head in the sand and stop believing this bullshit that's out there. This is such fucking garbage, and I hate it. So the comments were, quantum financial system, bro, you don't know what you're talking about. You sound like a little bitch, like somebody's going to take away your binky. Oh, you're a Fed, never mind. Are you serious? You think I'm a Fed? Are you kidding me? Oh, God, this is so fucking stupid. All right, let's get to it. Bitcoin's in at 43,558. Going to talk about XLM Stellar Protocol 2023.43. The price of ETH. ETH making a nice move here. XRP at 64.7 with XLM sitting at 12.8. The Dow futures went down after the November jobs report surpassed expectations. So essentially what happened was jobs reports came in and it was juicier than what we were expecting. With it being juicier than what we're expecting, it means the economy is probably stronger than what we're expecting. If the economy is stronger, that means what, everyone? Jerome Powell won't be as aggressive with the rate cuts. Why? Because the more money we have, the more high prices we can afford to pay, which means, yes, prices stay high for longer. Interesting. Fidelity Investments, Julian Timmer, Bitcoin is a form of digital gold with a venture twist. I like this, and I've got some good juicy stats. This talks about adoption of Bitcoin, ETH, internet, broadband, mobile. It's really cool stuff here. I wanted to share this with you. Anthony Pompliano, founder of Pomp Investments, appeared on CBC Squawk Box to discuss Bitcoin's rally, which has gone to 43,000. He characterizes Bitcoin as a free market asset, highlighting its forward-looking nature. Oh, interesting. He says also that the prospects of a Bitcoin ETF and the fact that a significant majority, around 70% of Bitcoin circulating supply, hasn't moved in the last year. So Bitcoin as a store of value, digital gold, but we got to get more to the alts into that. And I think it's going to take some time. And when you start looking at these like adoption curves here, it starts making more sense. And I will have this alt linked down below. Stellar's XLM teases the most important upgrade. See what will change. Well, according to this article, oh my God, if things aren't backed by gold in 2022, we're all going to blow up. And it's all going to be worth nothing. So, I mean, and I guess it all depends on what you believe. But the problem is here, and let me just do this here real quick, because I'm going to show you something that really pissed me off about this article, and hold on. And here's the juice. Protocol 20, completing the global quantum matrix late 2022. Hold on, everyone. I got to check Garmin again. Aw, damn it. Garmin still says it's December 8th of 2023. So what happened to the protocol? Because it's full of shit, everyone. God damn it, it's full of shit. Well, anyways, they're launching Protocol 20. The upgrade was teased last year, but its commencement unveiled as it underscores how much engineering work has been gone so far. 12 new core advancement proposals, blah, 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 blah. Does it add to price? Fuck, no, it didn't move on this. I'm sorry, everyone. Anyways, you're welcome to figure out and read more details. Here's the Stellar Protocol 20 upgrade guide. Do XLM holders need to do anything other than fucking pray that the price goes up and does something juicy? No, you don't. And here's what I'm talking about. Yes, year to date, you can sit here and you can go, bro, we went from 7.5 cents to 12.9. And I'm going to be like, you know what? You're right. That is freaking juicy. I like that. But then if I zoom out a little bit, I'm like, come on. Like, come on. I'm sitting here thinking, what about all you that were buying in 2022? What about all you that buying in 2021? What about all you that are looking for all-time highs? Girlfriend, this chart ain't saying any of that shit right now. In fact, check it out. Stellar looks just as blah as it was between 2019 and 2020. And yeah, I mean, look at it. Volume isn't even showing up on the charts anymore. Slipping in market cap. You've got articles out here telling you that Protocol 20 is going to be completed in late 2022. And it's the quantum financial service. And they're going to be launching rockets with Starlink. And we're going to protect the world. Oh, god damn. Seriously, lazy scams that people fall for. And the problem is, and the reason I brought it up, is because as Protocol 20 gets rolled out, everyone's thinking this is when the switch gets flipped. Come on, stop. You can call me a whiny baby all you want, but at least I'm not falling for the bullshit. So if I'm a whiny baby who doesn't fall for the bullshit, what are you? Oh, I had to edit that part out because I went off a little bit there. Because I can show you that these articles are bogus and you're still like, bro, you don't get it. You're a Fed. You're a Russian spy. Suck my ass. Let me know how the price of XLM has been treating you here. What all that development of the network has been treating you. How all those partnerships have been treating you. Oh, I forgot. You pay your bills with opium and bullshit. I pay my bills with cash. So, you know. If there ain't cash to be made, catch y'all later. Recovery drink, it's a recovery day today. I might run another marathon tomorrow, depending on how I feel. But seriously, I'm not mad at people for believing in things. What I'm mad at is when you show them that the articles that they're reading are fake, falsified, the dates don't line up, it's all preying on hopium, and yet they're still like, bro, you don't know what you're talking about. And I'm like, dude, the article said a year ago that this protocol was going to be completed, and here we are. Garmin's still helping me out. It's not 2022. And they're like, no, you just don't get it. Well, then what are they doing? Are they lying to you? Yeah, they are. And that's what bothers me about this whole thing. I don't care if you invest in XRP and XLM. Seriously, I really don't care. I have some of both, so it's not a big deal. But it's why you're getting into it. Are you getting into it on false premises? Are you getting into it thinking that, oh my god, XLM is going to rule the world. We're going to make payments from fucking Mars to my ass or wherever the balls. Exo Life Aquatics, that was for you. Trick, 87%, that's for you. So now, that's my thing. I don't care. I don't care if you go to the horse track. I don't care if you go to the casino. I don't care if you go to the strip club and make it rain on the jumblies. Understand what you're getting into and make sure that the reason you're getting into it is truthful information. It can be truthful risky. Seriously, you get into crypto all you want. It's risky as shit. Get into it because it's truthful risky. I totally respect it. I have zero problems with that. But I do have a problem when people out there are lying to you, trying to get you to think of expectations like cha, when the reality is cha. And then they also start lying to you about global domination and powers. Then they start using buzzwords. And then it's like, oh, Stellar T's Protocol 20, blah, blah, blah. And oh, now the good start. Seriously, do what you want with your money. It's totally cool. But just make sure that what you're doing with your money is based on information that's accurate. If you do that, I could care less what you put your money in because you're at least putting your money into something with the proper disclosures. If not, well, you're being lied to and you're putting your money somewhere where you're being lied to about those expectations. Now, can we blame Stellar or Ripple for any of this stuff? No, we can't. What we can blame them for, though, is not debunking all this bullshit. But why would they debunk it? Because it adds to their mystique, right? I mean, what advertising does Ripple have to do? Because every time there's a stupid frickin' riddle out or some stupid thing or, oh my God, the end of the year is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, oh my God, come on. And like with the Stellar stuff, like all the, Elon Musk is going to buy XLM. Everyone hold on tight till Elon. No. So yeah, that's where I get upset with the Stellars and the Ripples because they're not out there debunking it. They're not out there going, you know what? No. We're not working with Elon, but we are doing is this, and this. And Ripple's not out there going, you know what, all the stuff by blah, blah, blah. No, they're using it to their advantage to keep that hype train going. I mean, how powerful is that hype machine out there for XRP, XLM, Stellar, and Ripple? I mean, seriously, think about the hype train. Of all the stuff that's come out, has any of it proven to be like true and life-changing? Are they really like helping people like en masse? Are they really making change? No. We've been doing this now for how many years, and the expectations coming out of the camps are still crazy like this. But yet, the reality is somewhere down here. I had to make sure I kept that within frame. So seriously, put your money wherever you want. I seriously do not care. But just make sure that the choices you're making are based on real information. Could you imagine going to the doctor and the doctor is like, yo, we need to do surgery. You got stage 3 cancer, homeboy. And I'm like, oh, god damn. Okay, let's do the surgery. But what if the information that the doctor was using was for someone else's chart? What if the person that read my MRI, CT scan, fluid scan, whatever I went through, what if the person reading it misread it? And I don't have cancer. And I'm making my decision on surgery for cancer based on false information. See, it's a little different when you premise it around your health, because then you're like, oh shit, you're right. I wouldn't want to take risk without the right information. My dad had open heart surgery about 20-something years ago. And they told us back then, they were like, yo, there's some really risky shit going on. Your dad might not make it. That set the expectation here. So if something happened, we understood it. Now, if the doctors would have been like, yo, this is a no-risk surgery, no big deal, your dad will be fine, and they set the expectations way up here and something happens, well, it's not good, is it? So like I said, it's all about the right information and your freedom of choice. You have freedom of choice, but just please make sure that the choices you make are being built on accurate information, because the last time I checked, Garmin's telling me, oh, crap. It's still December 8th, 2023.